So we really want to understand that path of power and how it kind of moves around through that system, and how we as drivers can manipulate it, and also with our newer vehicles, how these newer vehicles manipulate it without us even knowing, right? So once that power, or we can call it torque, leaves that motor, the first system that it passes through is the transmission, right? The first system it passes through is the transmission that we can manipulate. So with a automatic transmission, today I want you to drive it like a manual. Okay,
Excellent job. Yeah, so just keeping everything very, very slow right now, working more on those mechanics, right? Building that muscle memory so that our muscles know what to do even when our brain does not, right? When the adrenaline spikes. But outside of that, as we start making these last couple loops around right here, start keeping it and focusing on getting smooth, right? Smooth with that throttle and smooth with choosing your line well ahead.
gearing is where it all starts, because your gearing in your transmission is what affects how that power or torque is applied to the ground.
Amazing job.
The next system that we're going to pass through is the transfer case. Transfer case has two jobs. Its first job work your way to the passenger. There you go. Excellent. Great job. We are going to go over to the obstacle course, but